2023 Volkswagen Arteon. Inspection due, message reset, and maintenance reset. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is steering wheel buttons right here. Go ahead and press over to the right, and you are going to wanna put the cluster on driving data. That's what we're looking for. Then on driving data, go down to where it says range. Press OK. Then you have the range, like the fuel range. Press and hold OK for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'll bring up the service menu, and you can see right here the first two. We got reset oil change service and inspection service. Okay, so we just hit OK on that, and then hit OK again, and that will reset the inspection. And we're going to do oil. Hit OK on that one. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, please support the channel by hitting subscribe, hitting the like button, and or leaving me a comment.